I don't regret the thing I have done. I regret the thing I did not do when I had the chance. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. It's hard to wait around for something you know might never happen, but it's harder to give up when you know it's everything you want. One of the most important key to success is having the discipline to do what you know you should do, even when you don't feel like doing it. Good things come to those who wait, greater things come to those who get off their asses and do anything to make it happen. Men and women who fulfill their sexual desire with their hand always feel pain in their body and they become weak. Thanks for subscribing to our channel for more videos.